All right, ready? Action. Hey gang, I'm Yappy B-Man, and I have had the pleasure to get to hang out with the folks at Mann Lake. So last night I had the opportunity to share my silver plaque that I got from YouTube with it. I accomplished 100,000 subscribers. When we offered that up, Mann Lake stepped right up. They decided they were going to jump in on the bidding, and man, did it take off. They ended up getting the bidding up and bought my silver plaque for $4,000, which is going to actually sponsor 4 of our heroes in their up-and-coming, life-changing opportunity to be a beekeeper. Why in the world did you guys come up with that idea to want to do that?
Yep. So last year we sponsored the Hives for Heroes dinner as well, and we showed up. I didn't know there was an auction, so I was not at all prepared. So we didn't participate in the auction last year. So I came prepared this time, and I was ready to go. And when you offered that up, just because we're trying to do so much on our social channels and YouTube, we're trying to grow, it felt like a really good opportunity to just pitch in a good way for us to donate for Hives for Heroes. So I was ready and I was buying something. Right. And it spoke to us. It spoke to everyone on our crew. Just your story with the video that you had that went viral. We loved it. I think everyone at our table was looking up the video as you were talking about it. Yeah. So
I was blessed in my YouTube channel, and then with that opportunity, it just kept going. The basics of that, my speech that I explained was how blessed I was. And then I was able to take that and move forward with it to offer it up to kind of help others. Mann Lake stepped up to the plate, and man, they kept it going. They were not giving up. And I am so happy that we set a whole new record as far as an item and the support that went with it. And you guys jumped in, and man, you set the bar. So from Yappy B-Man, from Hives for Heroes, we thank you so much for supporting that. And wow, great job.
Yeah, we're happy to be able to help any way that we can. And we should probably just plug Hives for Heroes a little bit more. Okay. If you want to donate, if you want to be a mentor, hivesforheroes.org.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Guys, be blessed.
Do I hear $3,700? Yes, I do. $3,700 from Jenna at Mann Lake. Do I have 38? $3,900 from Jenna at Mann Lake. I think she's determined. Who wants Yappy to sign that silver plaque for $4,000? $4,000. Jenna, thank you very much. It's sold to you. Yappy, meet Jenna. Jenna, meet Yappy.